Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a cool video today, which is some unadvertised deals that were not in the Walgreens flyer, and not many people are talking about this. I stumbled across these a couple days ago, but I wanted to make a dedicated video. If you are in store specifically, you can't do these curbside deals. You physically gotta go to Walgreens and make it happen. We got some $1.99 magic happening. So the first one we're going to talk about, and I haven't seen this at Walgreens, it's these 75 count, which are the big mamas for $1.99. I think the Lysol one of these is like $5. So $1.99, it's the same thing. I think, people will say opposite, but the lemon ones I think are very similar to Lysol in my book. But the big 75 counters, and we use this all the time, quick cleanup in the bathroom, or if you have pets. It's just fantastic. We go through a ton of these for $1.99. That is unheard of. And again, it's the big. So if you like to stock up on this sort of thing, or if you like to clean, your tub, your shower with these sort of wipes, this is what I use. Here's the tag. As you see, it's good till the 19th. So it's this week only for this sale. And I do like this one. Okay, the next one that we have, unadvertised deal, are these 4 packs of the Walgreens toilet paper for $1.99. The original price is $4.99. It's very similar to the Charmin. You either have the soft or the strong for $1.99. Common question I'm going to get asked here is it worth it? My husband, who's like kind of fussy with toilet paper, loves it. I don't like it as much, but he loves it and he uses a lot of toilet paper, so I've been stocking up on this. And as you see with the tag, it's valid until the 19th. In-store only. You can't find this through the app or through the website. So just giving you guys like a quick rundown, how would I specifically do this? Grab 3 of the items, or if you want to mix and match, go for it. If you want to grab 3 toilet papers, go for it. However you want to do it. Those stupid $4 store register rewards that we have been getting this month? If you might have one of those to throw into the mix, let's utilize it for some of this Walgreens magic. Grabbing 3 of these products, that is $5.97. $1.99 times 3, that's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting that $4 store register reward and $2 in Walgreens cash, you're paying down the tax, and I think this is a super smart deal. Okay, the next couple slides they have been in the ad, and I did talk about them on Sunday, but if you're late to this and you're like, I need some midweek deals, stat! Arm & Hammer, either the pods, the liquid, or the fabric enhancers are $1.99. The price is $7.99 in store. Wow. When you're picking out your liquid detergent, see how some are $27 and some are $29? Grab the 27 loader because it's worth, your money's going a lot further. You're getting 6 extra loads. So let's talk about another hot deal that I think everybody should be doing. And you're going to have to do these in separate transactions to grab 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends. They're on a promotion of 2 for $8. We have a very generous digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. Make sure you load this one. Just search Garnier Whole Blends in the app, click on it and see what's listed below, and then load your coupon. You'll pay $5 out of pocket and then get back a $4 register reward, making each 50 cents. And with the Garnier Fructis, you can either get the shampoo or the stylers. Sorry, guys, I could not find my digital coupon, but there's one for that. Remember, if you're going to do both, you got to do them in separate transactions, as the register rewards will only print once per transaction. Looking at the math for this, again, either or. Say we're going to grab 2 of the Fructis hairsprays for $8, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per hairspray. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, yes, you can spend it to earn that register reward, as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster, such as like a 5-back when you spend $20. Remember that. Now, before I take off, they are starting to put out some really unique and cute Christmas goodies, I guess. You have this little SpongeBob SquarePants, like the hamburger mug. Like, how adorable is that? I can't wait till it goes on clearance. Nothing was tagged or priced, but they were putting all this stuff on an end cap. You got this really cute, like, sriracha bowl with the chopsticks and the noodles. And yeah, that looks really nice too. I'm assuming both of these are probably like just under $10. I'm guessing like $9.97. Maybe it'll be like a deal of the week one week, but they're really, really cute. Okay, the next store that we're landing on is the Dollar General. And depending if your store has been updated or not, and I've talked about that a lot, so you will know what to look out for if your store has been updated. Please refer to my gain video this week. One store that I visited, I just drove by and I'm like, I'm not going to stop there. Stopped in and found 9 pennies. I need to stop in at every store where I have that little voice saying, don't stop there, because I always find everything there. This store, even though they had a self-checkout and I thought maybe they had done the update, I stood back and watched, and I saw people getting one receipt, so I knew it wasn't updated. So I got the Hershey's candy bars. They don't expire till next year, for a penny, and then 8 tomato soups. So this is really great, like 9 cents for all of that. Really great. And then just to take a quick, like, I want to see what that looks like. This was part of summer, so that's why, it's part of this, it's like a penny thing. They just wanted it out the store. And definitely, even if your store's been updated, it's Wednesday morning, I'm sure you'll have no problem, if you track these down, they should be bringing up for a penny, because I dealt with a store last week and it wasn't until Wednesday morning where everything was pennying out. And here's the UPC if you want to scan it in the Dollar General app. And then we have a can of soup, and I found these both in the clearance section, 10.75. And I think there's also broth also that's pennying out, but this Good and Smart label. We had sparkling waters last week, an 8-pack that was pennied out for this exact company. I think it's the Dollar General brand. And here is the UPC if you wish to scan it in the Dollar General app. Now, specifically, I'm really all about food clearance, so look for this in the clearance section or in the regular food aisle. You might be surprised what you find. And a special shout out to Super Simple Saver over on Instagram. This is her list, and just to show you some of the food, and the UPCs are listed there if you want to punch them into the Dollar General app. Yesterday, I made a video about Black Friday over at Bath & Body Works, and then I of course got the mailer the day I published the video. All of these coupons will be put into use on Candle Day, valid from the 28th to December the 11th. So we have a little something to work with for Candle Day, and also the Black Friday. Don't sleep on that. When they have really good sales, and I'm kind of guessing from what they had last year to this year. It's a really good video, lots of information. If you love Bath & Body Works, I'll link it at the end. I do love their Black Friday sale. Before I take off, I just want to give you guys a little something, and I usually don't talk about my donations or stuff that I do. I gave a ton of stuff to Toys for Tots, and I was going to make a separate video on this, but I didn't, but I'm going to put it at the end of this video. So if you're still here, just listen to this, guys. This website, SamaritansPurse.org. You can type it in and then type in your town and see if you have a local church that is accepting these boxes. I think it's like 5 or 6 more days they're taking them in before they send them overseas. I believe these boxes might be going to the Ukraine, which I'm so happy to help out and just to make a child's Christmas extra special. I'll show you how I organize these boxes here in a second. I didn't take everything out because I filled them from the bottom to the top, but just with little Christmas things. Most of this stuff, believe it or not, guys, from penny clearance shopping or just like coupon deals at the end of the year. And this is for a little girl aged, I think 2 to 4. So it's a lot of little kid things. Bows, lip balms that they want, a little water bottle, just whatever can put a smile on their face. And you have to pay $10, either credit card or PayPal, to the Samaritan's Purse to help with shipping. And this is for an older girl, probably a young teen, a hairbrush. I included some sunglasses, but I put them in a pair of socks, and just little odds and ends, calculator, whole bunch of pencils, pens for back to school. Toothbrushes as well. The list of what you can and cannot put inside of the box is on the website. Like you can't put toothpaste, lotions, stuff that I would think that you could just throw into a box. But I'm assuming because it's traveling so far, this stuff must get it must explode in the mail or something like that, or pressurized or something like that. No aerosols. But they have a list of what's needed, what these kids would really love to see on Christmas morning. So I did one for an older teenager. I had more fun with her box than the little kid. The little kid, I had extra stuff for my niece's stockings, and I'm like, I'm just going to throw this all together and make a really Merry Christmas for 2 young ladies. So I'm so happy to do this. It's $10, guys. You have, I think, 5 or 6 days. I think the Next week is the deadline to drop off these boxes, but make it happen if you have this in your heart. And most of these items, believe it or not, are pennies from the Dollar General. So my penny shopping is helping to make a very Merry Christmas for these kids. So a really cool concept. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.